Hi, another day, another surgery. So, our case for today is upper blepharoplasty. No? Yung usually we do this for mga medyo may edad na. No? Yung mga nagdudroop yung upper lid. No? So, sa case po nito, medyo may edad na si Mami, 69-year-old female. Well, actually, I did her nose before. So, 1 week ago. So, nakita niya maganda yung nose. Magpapa-bleph na rin siya. So, blepharoplasty, no? So, I'm planning to do a cantopexy. Pexy is meaning, itinatahi sa bone, no? Yung muscle para ma-lift yung lateral eye. No? Kasi masyado severe ang hooding. Hindi pwedeng basta tanggalan lang ng skin. No? So, yung ating po yung mga trainees po namin, I always teach them how to do that kasi hindi pwedeng basta tanggal lang ng skin. You should know the indication when to do yung cantopexy or yung repair. No? So, mamaya papakita po natin yan. So, we only have one case today because today, nakita nyo, aking pong suot ay nakabarong po ako, no? Formal, parang congressman. Today is the regular stated meeting of our Masonic Lodge, no? Moog Lodge number 89. So yan po, this is our barong, no? for our Mason meeting. So that's it. So I'll see you at the OR. I'm done doing the upper blepharoplasty, no? Because of a drooping lid. Kay Mami, medyo severe yung drooping on the side. So, I need to do a cantopexy. Meaning, I need to suture the muscle to the bone, here, para medyo may lifting. Kasi masyadong naka-hood na ganyan. No? So if we're just going to remove the skin, baka mag-hood pa rin. So I did a cantopexy, no? Nilift na ganon, parang fox eye. So I'll be removing the sutures after 6 days. Then well, actually I did her nose a week ago. So that's it. I will see her after 6 days. Another day, another surgery.